Hi, everyone. This is Doug here in Creston, BC, and this is a live test of a new StreamYard broadcast system for me. I'm trying it out to see if it works. I'm trying to be able to broadcast live right now to 4 platforms. Uh, Going to see if it works, and looking for some comment feedback from you just to know if you are seeing it and what platform you are watching on. Um, I'm using StreamYard to broadcast live on my Facebook profile. That's my personal page on my Facebook page, which is my business page, on YouTube, and also on Periscope, which is affiliated with Twitter. Just seeing if this is going to work. There are some features with StreamYard that are kind of cool. One is that I can put up that banner. I can take it down just like that. Another thing that I can do is I can run ticker across the bottom, just like on the news stations on TV. And this is really quite something. I could put anything into that bottom feed that would just keep scrolling across the screen. So if I was to try and draw your attention to something, I would put it there. Or I can go back and put up the broadcast and have them both working at the same time. That's kind of a really cool feature. There's another thing that I can do. I can hide those for now, and I can go to comments. And if you make a comment, I should be able to see that. If you can make a comment, if you see this live feed, then I should be able to post it. It'll be interesting to see if that actually works or not. One of the things that I can do is I can highlight. Um, I can highlight there. That's a comment that I just put in. That happens to be a link to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it if you could go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. One of the things that I'm doing currently right now is building up the YouTube channel, and you'll be able to see what I have on the screen there in the chat options, and then you can just copy and paste that and go there and press the subscribe button, and that would really help me out. Really, thank you for being patient with me right now. Just trying to work on these options and see how they work. I kind of like that. I'm not seeing any comments from anyone else live, but I could even highlight your comments and put them right on the screen if we were having a question and answer or some discussions. So this again is a test to just see how things are working, and we'll put that back up so that people know that it's a test broadcast, and I'm not really I'm not selling anything, and I'm not presenting anything of significant value except to try out this broadcast and see how it works. I do see some thumbs up and some hearts, so that encourages me. That tells me that that you are. Hey, there we are. Look at this. All right, see how this works? This is incredible. So thanks, Tom. I really appreciate you just taking a second to help me with this test. It really isn't that hard. So I can hide your comment, or I can show it again to the world. And that's how that works. And then you ask a question, when is your next marathon? And I have my next marathon registered is in Banff on Father's Day weekend. And my next marathon after that I have registered for is at Labor Day weekend down in Pocatello. I do need to run before that. I need to try and do better in my training, but I really appreciate you answering the question and helping me out with this test. Okay, so if anyone's out there and whoa, all right, we got something in Romanian, which I do not know how to read yet, but it looks, something about being here. You are here, or I see you here. I'm just guessing at what Despre means in Romanian, but that's kind of cool too. So really appreciate that. Thank you for chiming in, and I'm going to be using this quite frequently once I get comfortable with it. And I'll just go back to the banners for a second, and I can put up my banners like this. I can use this banner here that I've made up. And I just say I'm broadcasting live on my Facebook profile, my Facebook page, YouTube, and Periscope. One of the things that I can tell you is Instagram does not allow third-party live broadcasting, at least not right now. So we can't go to Instagram from this stream. LinkedIn does allow it, but LinkedIn has an application process. And to apply for LinkedIn, I have to have already done many lives on some other platforms. They go and look at it, evaluate it, and see whether they'll allow you to do live streaming on LinkedIn. But that capability is here. There's a couple of other platforms that I don't use that we can go to. So it's kind of exciting. So I just want to say to you, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and that is in the comments list. And I'm going to log off and see what the results are. Thanks again for spending a few minutes with me. I really appreciate it as I get to learn this whole new feature. Thanks. Bye.